Botanical Dimensions is a nonprofit organization that I founded in 1986 with my former partner, Terence McKenna, and we made it a nonprofit organization with the intended purpose of collecting, protecting, propagating, and understanding plants of ethnomedical significance and their lore. That was the motto. And to me, the lore part is very important. That's the stories, the folk names, the folk categorization of the plants and mushroom species, and the mythology and songs and artwork and all of that surrounds plants in culture. So I've specialized in that over the years. I've been president of it for the 22 years it's existed. It's still a small organization and functions on grants and contributions. We started a garden on the island of Hawaii many years ago, a forest garden with some Amazonian and other tropical and semi-tropical species of medicinal plants and shamanic plants, plants used in those traditions, with the collection information where they came from and how they're used. And I am, in fact, right now working on a better, more inclusive information and photographic database about those species. That garden still exists. It's a private garden. It's not open to the public except by occasion when I happen to be there and someone can get in touch with me. But it also has, Botanical Dimensions has other projects that it's continued to do over these years.
And like the lore, how is that conserved? In a library or something like that?
In a database.
But that's not necessarily in Hawaii. Just the garden. It's digital.
Yeah. It's a digital database now.
Yeah.
And I am expanding that because over my decades of doing field work, I've collected a lot of information that I think should attend each of the records on all of these plants. And I have a huge photographic database that is part of Botanical Dimensions as well, of all the photographs I've taken since the mid-70s doing ethnobotanical field work. And I've received grants to be able to put information with all those photographs because it's very much in my head. So that's building. I don't have a plan to publish it at this point, but it will be publishable at some point.
Is there a website for Botanical Dimensions?
No, it's the last nonprofit in the world to have a website, but it's imminent. I almost had my own website together for this. I don't have one either yet, but for this 2008 event. And so it will be linked to botanicaldimensions.org. And also, I have been able to receive funding for ethnobotany research that other people are doing, and then pass that on, sort of funnel it through to other people's work. Starting a medicinal plant teaching and treatment facility among the Bribri Indians in southern Costa Rica, and years ago a garden and treatment center in the Peruvian Amazon, and also in recent years I personally have gotten very much into environmental restoration, and that has a lot to do with plants, and so that also has become part of the purpose and the function of Botanical Dimensions.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you.